Hi, my name is Fazita Patel and I'll be doing stage 3 video presentation. I'll start with the introduction. In stage 3, my goal was to connect the database with a web interface. I started by setting up MariaDB on the server and Apache with PHP for the web front end, and the main objective was to allow both local and remote users to access the database securely through a browser. This is my database setup. Created database inventory, created table instruments, imported CSV file, verified data using select query. First, I created a database called inventory and a table name instruments. Then I edited the CSV file to add the new instruments as required. After that, I imported the file into MariaDB using the load data in file command, and verified that all records were successfully inserted using a select query. This is user and remote access configuration. Created read-only user CSP 450 RO, granted select permission, enabled remote access by address. I created a read-only user called CSP 450 RO so that other students can access my database without modifying. I granted only select permissions for security. Then I configured MariaDB for remote access by changing the bind address to 0.0.0.0 and restarting the services. This is web server configuration. Edited PHP script, updated DB credentials, copied file to /var/www./html, installed Apache and PHP. After that, I configured the web server. I edited the PHP script to match my database name and read-only user credentials. Then I copied the script to the Apache web directory as index.php. I also installed Apache PHP and required modules and restarted the Apache services to apply changes. These are the challenges and solutions plus final testing. During this stage, I faced several issues. Initially, remote database access was not working because the bind address was not configured correctly. I also had problems importing the CSV file due to incorrect file location and permissions. Additionally, the web page did not load until I installed the required PHP modules. I solved these issues step by step, and finally, I was able to successfully access the databases from both local and remote systems using a web browser. So these are my challenges, solutions, and final testing. Thank you.